Hello, young explorers. Welcome to another math adventure with Sally and Billy. Today, we're going to embark on a journey to unravel the world of percentages.
Hi, friends. Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of percentages?
That's right, Sally. Get ready for a percent-tastic ride. Alright, let's get started. We already know about whole numbers and fractions, but what if we want to talk about a part of a whole in terms of 100? Percentages.
Exactly. Percentages help us compare numbers to a whole in terms of 100.
They're like a special way to talk about parts of a whole using the number 100. Let's look at some examples. Imagine you have a big jar of marbles. You want to know how many red marbles there are compared to all the marbles in the jar.
If 20 out of 100 marbles are red, we say it's 20%. And we write that as 20%.
Now, let's say you have a big bag of candies, and 75 out of 100 candies are sweet. That's 75%.
Wow. Percentages make everything so clear.
Now, let's play a little game. We'll show you a scenario, and you tell us what percentage it represents.
Alright. First up, imagine a group of 100 animals, and 25 of them are dogs. What percentage are dogs?
That's 25 out of every 100 animals. You're doing fantastic. Keep exploring, keep learning, and have fun.
Thanks for joining us today, friends. We hope you had a blast learning about percentages. They're all around us, helping us compare things in a special way. And please like and subscribe. See you next time for more math adventures.